everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse and welcome to today's Top 5 Plants, April 2nd, 2023. We're going to start off with this beautiful begonia. This is a Boliviensis style of begonia. They have a different, more of a bell-shaped flower. There are different types of begonias. So this series is called Groovy, the Groovy Begonia series. They can go in shade, but they can also take a little bit of sun. So if you have a spot that has dappled light or early morning sun, I wouldn't put them directly on the south side. That would be a little too hot for them, but they can definitely have that evening sun. So we have these in 5 different colors, and this is the red. Our second plant from today's top 5 plants is this sweet potato vine plant, and it is called a Proven Accents Sweet Caroline Sweetheart Red. It is from the Proven Winter brand. That's why it's in this pot. And what I love about this potato vine, this is a heart-shaped type, so you can see it has a heart-shaped type leaves, but the new leaves come out this really pretty lime green color, and then as they age, they go to this coppery color and deepen into this kind of burgundy bronze. So this is a beautiful potato vine. This one can go in full to part sun. It can even go in the shade, but it can handle that full sunlight, which is harder to find in potato vines. This one is not an edible type. This is only ornamental. So use it in your planters and hanging baskets. Our third plant for today's top 5 plants is this super cute verbena. This is actually my #1 favorite color in verbenas. Isn't that a pretty mango color? So this is Laskar mango orange, and it can go in full sun. It says sometimes I don't always listen to the tags. The tag does say full sun, but I find that they do a little bit better in the summertime for flowering if they're in a little bit of shade. So if your verbenas have a little break from that sun during the heat of the summer, they'll bloom more profusely. They're getting better with the verbena breeding, but I still think that if you want that maximum flower power all through the summertime, then definitely give it a little bit of shade. But it can take full sun, so you're good either way. Okay, our fourth plant for today's top 5 plants is brand new for 2023. This is a Petunia called Lime Royale, and we've never grown it before. It's brand new. It says it's gonna grow 10 to 12 inches by 12 to 14. And of course, petunias can go in full sun, full hot sun. Now, this is a very unique color, but 10 to 12 or 12 to 14 inches, that's not gonna wave out. A wave petunia would get 20 inches or wider stems, but it will still fill up a basket beautifully. So if you're okay with this color not, spilling a couple of feet, then it will do what you want. You can plant this in mixed combinations. It might be really pretty with some lime colored foliage, or even add some purple. Anyway, we're really excited about this new color. Here, I want to tap on it so it's a little bit fuzzy when I hold it that close, but yeah, it's amazing. So we do have these in, and let's take a look at the roots. We planted these a little while ago. They came in a few weeks ago. So the roots are just getting to the bottom of the pot. It's a bit crumbly yet because it's not fully full. So it's a little early for petunias like this, but isn't that a stunning color? Okay, and the 5th plant for today's top 5 plants, this is a plant that I was super excited about once I heard about it and seen it. This is a type of ivy. So it's a type of headera, which traditionally we think of English ivy when we think of headera, but this is an Algerian ivy. It's much more aggressive than an English ivy. An English ivy, they're beautiful and they are amazing mixed with begonias and different things that are a bit slower and like shade, but this can go in sun, and Paige and I think this would be a fantastic house plant. So it can go in sun, and it is going to spread 60 to 450 centimeters. That is like 13, 14 feet. Now, I don't know how quickly it will do that, but what I'm trying to say is that this is a more aggressive plant, and this is from Plant Haven. So our good friend Robert Bett, who came here to New Blooms one day, he owns a company called Plant Haven, and this is one of his selections. Plant Haven is more of a boutique-y style plant company where they have like the really cool stuff. So this is, yeah, headera. It's called Tropical Blizzard, and it's an Algerian ivy in the same families as what we would normally consider an English ivy. So that's the last selection for today's top 5 plants, and I hope to be doing this every day. The plants are a little young, so I might not have new material every day, but we're excited to show you. So thanks for tuning in, and we are so glad we're back. Bye for now.